again, Jim here from Remick Museum and Farm, and I thought I'd do a little follow-up on our Monarch Butterflies Citizen Science Project. As the last couple of weeks here at the gardens, I have been seeing an amazing amount of monarch butterflies. So I thought I'd do a little tour about just our garden spaces, and I think some of the things that has allowed us to have so many monarch butterflies. But also then, since it's almost fall, I figured we'd do a little bit of information about the long trek many of these monarch butterflies are going to have to go on, and how what things they need habitat-wise and luck-wise and all these things for them to be successful both heading south and making their way back. So let's take a little tour.
One important thing certainly is food, and this high nectar producing Mexican sunflower is a great late season flower for the monarchs. We usually think about the common milkweed being a really important plant for monarchs, and it certainly is, but the flower is an early flower, and the caterpillars rely upon the leaves for food, and you can see these are pretty well done now. Certainly leaving larger areas unmowed has provided extra habitat, including their food needs from native things and non-native things like this red clover that they like.
Not sure if my camouflage is good enough, but we'll see if we can get some up-close videos of these butterflies.
As I get ready to walk through this monarch congregation, that's one of the important things to have for any butterfly garden, not just monarchs, but having a variety of good nectar producing flowers that are flowering at different times of the year, so you have flowers all summer, not just at one time. So some of our food and habitat type plantings that we really go for are lots of milkweed, and that's especially important early and then through the summer for the caterpillars to feed on. We've got bee balm that is very popular for lots of different pollinators, and it's really great. And then this late summer Mexican sunflower, which definitely is a major draw for the monarchs. Having this late season flower available for food in the form of nectar is super important, because these monarchs need to fuel up because they have a lot of traveling to do to get to their winter habitat. That long journey, of course, is their fall migration, and these butterflies will travel up to 3,000 miles to central Mexico, where they congregate, often in the same trees. It's a pretty amazing journey, and one that's very specific to the monarchs and not taken by many other types of insects. They are certainly using some luck to get that far south. The wind currents can aid them, so they don't have to use as much energy. They have to dodge predators, but having more habitat was nothing but beneficial for them. There's places to stop and hide. There's places to stop and get food and water, and it really shows you how important habitat is for different animals.
All right, that's our monarch video for the week. Again, if you are liking what you're seeing here at Remick Museum and Farm, as far as videos, make sure you like and subscribe us on YouTube. And of course, you can follow again on Facebook and share with your friends if they would be interested in this kind of thing. And I hope everyone's doing well, and I'll see you again real soon. Bye.